Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the football minigame Easter egg in your Facebook Messenger app. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook Messenger or any chat bubblehead that you wish to use. And we're going to be clicking on the eye icon on the top right. From here, what you want to do is select the emoji option. And we're going to be scrolling down until we see the football icon right here, which should be beside the tennis ball and beside the American football. What you want to do is select this and have it as your active emoji. And then from here, what you want to do is click on the emoji to send it in your Facebook Messenger. From here, all you want to do is click on the football emoji and then you'll be able to start playing the football game. This is a nice little Easter egg that Facebook added, and I'm also going to leave a card on screen so you can check out the basketball mini game as well. It's really easy to do and it's a really fun little Easter egg. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free and I always try to put the highest quality into them that I can. So if you could check that out, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.